Welcome to today's tutorial on how to complete a league training match in FC Mobile 2025. If you are eager to enhance your skills and dominate the pitch, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps that will make you a pro at league training matches. To get started, launch FC Mobile 2025 and navigate to the Leagues tab. Here you will find the league match sections. Tap on it to see available matches and challenges from your league match. Once you're in the league match section, look for the play match button. This will send out a notification to your league members, letting them know you're ready for an H2H match. It's a great way to engage with your team and practice your skills in a competitive environment. When your league may accept the challenge, it's game time. You'll have the opportunity to showcase your skills in real time. Remember, communication is key. Stay connected with your teammates through the league chat to strategize and support each other. If you're not playing, don't worry, you can still be part of the action by clicking on the spectate button. This allows you to watch live matches and learn from your teammates' tactics and gameplay styles. Completing a league training match is not just about winning, it's about improving your gameplay and teamwork. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance your skills but also strengthen your league camaraderie. So get out there and challenge your friends and let's conquer those matches together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips on FC Mobile 2025. Happy gaming!